Okay, here we go. Entering into my Twilight open house this evening. This is June 6th. We're here from 4 to 7, or I should say I am. I have some cookies, some snacks, some water, and some fruit. This is the dining room. It offers a mini split. It's just one of the three. There's a very old antique light there that is pretty cool. Always often think about taking that thing home. I like quirky stuff. Anywho, it's kind of it's a nice big dining room, plenty of space for family entertaining. And we have this nice big spacious kitchen. Originally, this is a location where a refrigerator would go. And we have a little desk. Washer and dryer here in the kitchen. Family has chose to have them here, but there is a different area for them to go if that's something that you prefer to do. Here is the refrigerator. So it's just set up for the comfort of the couple that lives here now. They've been here for many, many, many years. We are located in the Woodstock area. Great schools. All the grade school, high school, middle school, all get good grades. We're going down to the hallway. These will be entering into the living room where it was an addition back in 2001. So it offers a lot of open space for a living area. And please excuse the chaos in the bedrooms. They are in the process of cleaning out all their belongings and getting things packed. They are going to be moving out of state. So lots going on in this little house. And then we have the other third bedroom. And they both have original wood floors. All right, we have the closet, good sized closets. And let's swing around here. Let's go into the oversized master. Now part of this master is an add-on. So you can see the beam up there, that's where it added on. It does offer a mini split. It's just one of the three that are in the home that offer air conditioning and heat. And then we go back here. And as you can see, it's pretty long. We go back here to a walk-in closet. It's pretty big. Has the built-in units, as you can see. Sorry, I may have gone a little too fast there for a second. And let's cozy on out. The bedroom size-wise, just to give you an indication, it does allow a king-size bed in here, and there's still lots of space. A couple does have a lot of stuff, so we still have a lot of space to roam. So that's good. And let's go. Now this is the part of the addition down the hallway, and we're going into the large living room. It's kind of an L shape. Okay, and there's a bay window, another back door. You can park in the front along the street. There's plenty of street parking, and the washer and dryer would definitely fit in here. They chose to have some freezers for extra food storage and whatnot. And then there is this nice big closet here that allows for extra storage and whatnot. And then here's the addition to the rest of the living room. Okay. Let's mosey on out here to the back half of the house, where this is where the couple chooses to park the car. Okay, we have a storage shed that has been customized for a man's liking. It does offer heat and electricity. And so I believe it's a 8x10, I believe. It has a loft up above for storage. It offers also a ceiling fan to help circulate some of the air in here. So as you can see, it's got lots of little goodies in it, so plenty of space in here for you guys to have some projects going on. Let's mosey on out. And we have a shed right there for storage. We have an additional shed right there. The home is fully fenced, and we have some additional parking right here. Okay, it is almost a 5,000 square foot lot. Low maintenance yard wise. We're just at the back of half of the house. Lots of berries coming through the fence, as you can see. This isn't yard work that hasn't been tended to. The homeowners like to pick the berries, and she likes to do jamming. And then along that fence back there, those are also I believe they're called tayberries. So, which are very tasty. I've had some of the homemade jam. So let's go back on into the house. Okay. So that's just a little bit of our open house today. So if you're interested, come on down and see me. I'm at 62nd and Woodstock area at 6140 Southeast Reedway Street. I'm here till 7 p.m. Come check out this little gem. Has lots of room for your own personal touches. And hope to see you soon. Thanks.